name is Tuan Muhammad TAUFIQ AIMAN bin Tuan NOOR, and my metric number is 2010613552. Today, I will present my study of my pet assignment for AMJ 27003, which is the heat engine. So, let's go. As we can see, this is the system of the heat engine, which is it converts chemical energy of fuel or the energy into a heat energy and utilized into the mechanical work. It is thermodynamic system operating in the cycle, which net heat transfer and net work is produced. It is used to produce maximum work from a given positive heat transfer. As we can see, the Q1 is the heat supplied to the system and Q2 is the heat ejected from the system. W net is a net work done by the system. To get the W net, Q1 is minus to the Q2 to get this the net work done by the system. Next, as we know, work can be easily be converted to other forms of energy, but converting other forms of energy to work is not that easy. Characteristics of heat engine. First of all, heat engine receive heat from a high temperature source. As an example, solar energy, oil furnace, nuclear reactor. It is convert part of heat to work in the form of rotating shaft. Heat engine also reject the remaining waste heat to a low temperature sink. As an example, atmosphere and rivers. It is undergoing the cyclic cycle. This is the example of the heat engine, which is the system power, it is the steam power plant. So this is the cycle for the system power plant. For the steam power plant, as we know, this is boiler, turbine, condenser, and pump. And Q1 is the supply heat energy to the boiler and its flow to the turbine and work out by the turbine and its flow to the condenser. And Q2 is rejected the heat into the sink, which is atmosphere. This continue flowing into the pump and work into the pump and continue to the boiler. So we can see there is two directions of the heat energy and two directions of the work. And boiler, condenser, turbine, and pump is really not an example as a heat engine because it does not complete a cycle when heat one by one. But when all of these components is combined, it is a heat engine because it undergoing the cycling. The four components of the steam power plant involve mass flow in and out and therefore should be viewed as an open system. These components, together with the connecting pipes, however, always contain the same fluid. No mass enters or leaves this combination system, it is indicated by the shaded area. Thus, it can be analyzed as a closed system. A closed system undergoing a cycle, the change in internal energy is zero. So to get the energy, we can use this formula to get the word net or the word out, and we can use to find the heat supplied and heat ejected to the atmosphere. In heat engine, we have a thermal efficiency from this system, and as we know, Q1 is the heat supply and Q2 is a heat ejected from the heat engine system. And W stand for the work done on the heat engine system. Thermal efficiency is given by this formula for this work or for this heat engine system, but for system power plant we use this formula. So that's all for me for the heat engine system. Okay, thank you.